Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to save a section as global in Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse the same design element across multiple pages on your WordPress site, saving you time and ensuring consistency throughout your website. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll access the tools needed to manage your site's content and design elements. Once you're logged in, navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages in the left sidebar. This will display a complete list of all the pages you've created on your WordPress site, making it easy to locate the specific page you want to work with. Now look for the page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor Page Builder interface, giving you full control over your page's design and layout. Elementor is a powerful visual editor that lets you see exactly what you're building in real time. Here's where things get interesting. Right-click the 6 dots icon at the top of the section you want to save. These 6 dots are the section handle, and right-clicking them will open the sections menu with various options for managing that particular section of your page. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Save as Template. This feature is what allows you to transform your section into a reusable template that you can insert into any other page on your site. It's one of Elementor's most powerful time-saving features. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to give your template a name. Type a name for your template in the provided field. For example, you might call it Global Section or something more descriptive like Header Banner or Contact Form Section depending on what the section contains. Choose a name that will help you easily identify it later when you're looking through your saved templates. Finally, click the Save button to save the section as an Elementor template. Once you do this, your section is now stored in Elementor's template library and can be accessed and inserted into any page on your site whenever you need it. This means you can maintain consistent design elements across your entire website without having to rebuild them from scratch each time. And that's it. You've successfully saved your section as a global template in Elementor, making it easy to reuse across your entire website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.